What's up, guys? Mike here, Flyzonefpv. Today we're out with my brother ripping at this abandoned resort. We're gonna take it out. It's beautiful out. It's Sunday. It's about 62 degrees and sunny. We're gonna send it. We're gonna send out our prototypes. So that's what this video is about. It's mostly about the prototype testing and taking it out for a maiden flight and see how well it performs. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. Peace.